welcome back to my YouTube channel. So you may be wondering why I haven't posted in a while. Well, that's because we have been getting ready and buying a house to go to the beach. And yes, I'll be vlogging our beach trip. We're going to be staying there with our friends, and we're going to be staying there for a week. So I'm going to vlog it for you guys, and it will be really fun. Okay, so what we're doing today is I'm going to teach you how to get like beach waves in your hair, not using a curling iron, fast too. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will get the stuff to tell you how you do. Okay, so what you'll need is three pencils or marker, or the tube that the pencil came in. If you want to do all of it at once, you can use more pencils, but I'm doing one side at a time, so I only need 3. You'll need 3 clips, and you'll need some water. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing we'll be doing, I'm going to be starting on this side. You're going to want to wet your hair. Not too much, but you want to wet it. And then you take a pencil, take a strand of hair, and you wrap it around the pencil. And then you can totally hold it there, but I'm doing more pencils on this side, so I'm going to clip my pencil in my hair so it stays. And you're just going to keep doing that your whole hair. Now I have one more to do on this side. Just a little. And then we clip. You want to clip it where it kind of ends so it doesn't like unravel. And you want to leave the pencils in your hair until it dries, until the hair dries on the pencil. So you're just going to wait however long it takes to dry. This might take a little longer or a little less depending on how much water you put in your hair. So I'll see you guys to take the pencils out, and we're going to let my hair dry, and I'll see you guys when it dries. Whoosh. Okay guys, when you put in the clips, you might want to be careful like on the last one on the bottom, because I literally clip my ear and I can't move it because then the hair will fall down. So you might want to be careful when you do it. Okay, now I'll see you guys when it dries. Okay guys, my hair is dry, but you might want to use thinner ones because this one fell out when I was going to start the video. So yeah, you might want to use thinner ones because this one fell out, but my hair is dry, so now it's time to take them out. And then you just want to look at that. That looks like it's done with a curling iron, but it's secretly done with just water and pencils. That's crazy. I'm going to do one over here because it didn't really get curled. So I'm going to do one right there. So it can be curled. And if your hair is not wet enough after you put in the pencil, you can spray it with a little more water if you have to. Okay, I'll see you when it dries. Mommy, are you doing your ab workout?
Yeah.
When you're done, can you give me clothes?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. Okay, guys, so it's dry now, so we're going to take it out. Woo. Woo. And now we're going to do over here. Sorry, guys, I forgot to pause the video, but it's okay. Yeah, I forgot to pause the video. I feel so stupid. I forgot to pause the video. Oh my god. Sorry for that awkward moment. Okay, time to take out the pencil. And there we go. That's how you get fast beach waves. I think this looks so good. I feel like it kind of looks like it was done by a curling iron. And I love it. So I hope you guys give it a try. I love you guys so much. Remember to stay beautiful and like and subscribe. Mwah. Love you. Bye.